Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: b plus b plus b equals to b times b times b, and you're supposed to find value of b. Let's provide the solution very quickly. And of course here we have to copy what we have. We have here b plus b plus b equal to b times b times b. And first of all, here we are supposed to factorize this b we have right here. So we have to say b 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is b power 3. After this one, we have to say b, and we have to make sum of this one that we have right here to get 3 equals to b power 3, right? So we shall say 3b minus b power 3 will be 0. We have b, which is common, so we have to factorize b out to get b, open bracket of 3 minus b squared, close bracket, equals to 0. In other words, we shall say b, open bracket of negative b squared plus 3 will be 0. So here we shall say b equal to 0, or here negative b squared plus 3 will be 0. So here this is our solution, or b1 is equals to 0. So we shall still remain with negative b squared, which equals to negative 3. At this stage, this will be cancelled to get what? B squared equals to 3. In order to find b only, b will be square root of here 3, and this is b2 will be negative square root of 3, or b3 will be positive square root of 3, as we have it right here. Yes, and if you know very well, we have to check if the answer is correct. So we have to say b plus b plus b equal to b times b times b. And as you know, here we have, if you are starting from 0, we shall say 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0 times 0 times 0, so that is 0 equals to 0, so that this value is correct. And have to come back to negative square root of 3. Here we have negative square root of 3 plus means that minus square root of 3 plus means that minus square root of 3 equal to negative square root of 3 times negative square root of 3 times negative square root of 3. And of course here we have to say we have 1, here we have 1, we have here 1, so we have negative 3 square root of 3, so that this is negative times negative this one, so we shall say 3, right? And 3 times negative 1, we shall say negative 3 square root of 3, and this is equal. When we come back to positive, we have square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3, which equals to square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. And of course this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3 square root of 3, which equals to, this is 3 square root of 3, and this one are equal. Shall say thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.